Hi everyone, my name is Ananthu Prasad. I completed my graduation in 2021 from College of Engineering Trivandrum. After completion of college, I had a career gap of 1 year. After that, I was looking for a core embedded job, and I came to know about Emertxe from one of my friends. I am from a non-programming background, so initially it was difficult to follow, but the course structure was in such a way that it helped me to follow the classes, and the mentors were very supportive. If I have any doubts, they will clarify it very easily. They are super supportive, and the course structure is also very good. We can study embedded core, embedded C, and MC module, and that helped me in my placements. And recently I got placed in HL Mando company in Gurgaon. I highly recommend Emertxe to anyone who wants to upskill and build a career in core embedded.